The rise of corporate giants. How MNCs are shaping the global economic landscape. The world economy is changing. Globalization has brought countries closer. MNCs are at the heart of this change. They drive global trade and investment. MNCs are powerful actors on the world stage. They impact our lives profoundly, producing goods and providing services. Their decisions shape global policies. Understanding MNCs is crucial for the modern world. Driven by technology, trade liberalization, and market search. As MNCs grow, so does their influence, operating across borders with unprecedented reach. The power of the purse. Why MNCs wield significant influence on economic policies. MNCs are powerful